dependent person.
Representation, please.
Respectfully, my Lord Usman Bam, my humble appearance is for the complainant.
Yes.
Yes. My Lord, the matter is selected for further mention. And unfortunately, my Lord,
Yes.
yes, my Lord, the predicament with it is concerning this.
I'm sorry, you said the predicament?
Yes, my Lord. In this particular matters, my Lord.
Just give me a minute.
Oh, my apologies.
Pardon me, just give me a minute. You said the matter is fixed today for further mention?
Yes, my
And
lord.
unfortunately, the predicament.
Yes, my lord. The predicament, my lord. In this particular cases, my lord, that the court doesn't know, my lord, is that due to the, my lord, fundamental, due to the in the previous administration, my lord, we are very, very skeptical of fundamental right enforcement cases, my lord. So there is an internal policy that immediately, my lord, after an arrest, the area commander or the particular officer in charge who effected that arrest is to report, that particular officer is to report to the headquarters, my lord, within 3 hours or less than that. And at the same time, my lord, when he reporting that particular arrest, he is to report with the necessary documents, which includes the statement of the defendants, statement of the witnesses concerned, plus scientific documents, to enable the prosecution to file a charge before even the case file, before even the arrival of the case file. So after filing the charge, an investigation later released that particular suspect, my lord. The thing is, my lord, we don't have to dump that particular charge before this honorable court. So, my lord, in that circumstances, we have no option, my lord, than to take our charges back. And that is the reason why, my lord, some of the cases, we have no option, my lord, than to take them back. It has never, my lord, once, wallahi, it has never been our own deliberate intention, my lord, to foster any proceedings. Because, my lord, the way it is operated, it is 100% transparent. 100% transparent. Unless, my lord, someone maybe will claim to have been adamant of that. But, my lord, the truth is the truth, my lord. Immediately after there is an arrest, immediately we will file charge, even before case file and investigation, my lord. My lord, this particular cases that I'm talking to you about, even the exhibit office, my lord, even who are there before this honorable court, my lord, some of them, they don't even have the records of them, my lord. So, my lord, the thing is that, my lord, out of honesty, transparency, and fairness, my lord, of course, my lord, that's the position. But, my lord, for those, my lord, who actually knows the internal policy, whether it is right or wrong, my lord, sometimes, my lord, we have no option, my lord, than to bend to the policy to allow everything to flow. Because we report our cases, my lord, as well, my lord, monthly, back to the headquarters. Cases that from the point of arrest, which will be sent to Abuja, from the filing of the charges to, my lord, will be sent. So, my lord, some of these policies, my lord, they are aware of it, my lord, even though, my lord, they may not like to speak about it. So, my lord, my apologies, my lord. My lord, I just want to make it, my lord, categorical so that maybe, my lord, one may not know. And if one may not know, my lord, of course, my lord, the thinking may quietly differ. So, my lord, in this regard, my lord, with all respect, my lord, I have no option, my lord, than to still ask for another date, my lord. I'm very much careful. As I said always, my lord, in this critical situation, my lord. My lord, the as the position of the companion of the prophet, my lord, who said to convict a single innocent person, my lord. When I'm not satisfied to convict a single innocent person, my lord, is better to discharge and acquit 99 criminals. It's better to discharge and acquit 99 criminals. Sometimes, my lord, when I know that's the position, even though, my lord, the legality of it, my lord, is quite different, my lord. So I have no, I'm thinking of tomorrow. It's better, my lord. Sometimes it's better.
But these cases,
yes,
can't they be withdrawn when when you are ready? Then you can file them again.
Yes, my lord. That's where I am talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Because, my lord, the thing is that the intention, my lord, of the court, my lord, is to ensure the transparency and the justice of the matter, and to ask questions on why. But, my lord, the truth is that the impression that some people will have, my lord, particularly in certain matters like this, my lord, with the correspondence, my lord, that reaches, my lord, from the court, my lord, is actually giving another different impression. Even though, my lord, they are very well aware, my lord, of everything. So, my lord, that's the reason why, my lord, now taking it back now, my lord, is now making it very hard for me, my lord.
If the cases are struck out, you mean?
Yes, my lord.
But it cannot continue to be on the court docket for 6 months, and then nothing is happening.
That's what I'm talking about, my lord. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm still not. How do I put it? Because this thing is on my own docket for 6 months, and nothing is happening. No defendant is before the court. I cannot continue to have such cases. So why not withdraw the matters, or let me just strike out the matters when you are really certain you have the defendants, then you can file.
As the couple is, my lord, my lord, that's what I am explaining, my lord, and I'm being very careful, my lord, when explaining it, my lord. So, my lord, I leave it to discretionary power of the court.
Maybe I don't seem to understand, so I wouldn't want to rock the boat, so to say. But at my own end, for cases to last for 6 months without a defendant, it's not looking good on my docket.
My lord, even for me, my lord, it's not actually good, my lord. And that's the reason why, my lord, I have been withdrawing some of the cases, my lord. My lord will understand that's the position. Sometimes, my lord,
so for such cases now, because my concern is, you said even the exhibit officers,
yes, my lord,
may not have documents to work on.
They are with us, my lord, on this platform right now. They are before this honorable court. So, my lord,
because I don't seem to understand why can't we just strike out those cases whenever everything is in the when you have put your house in order, you can file since you do not even pay.
Asco, please.
Maybe I don't seem to
My
understand.
lord, my lord, it is our. Actually, my lord doesn't want to make the application, but
okay, I'll leave it to the court if it will not. What is the word?
So,
I understand you're trying your best, you're doing your own work, but then you have different departments, each trying to do the work as much as they could, being
yes.
administrative, how do I put it? Criminal justice administration.
Yes, my lord.
So, but I can't seem to grasp the rationale of leaving those cases on my docket.
Asco, please.
But I wouldn't want to put anybody in an awkward situation.
My lord, the thing is, my lord, I have found myself in that. I'm very sorry, my lord. I have found myself in that situation, my lord. So that's why I said, my lord, the correspondence, my lord, from the court, some of us, my lord, will not understand no matter what, because of maybe the judgment of mind that people thinking of why some cases have been jettisoned that particular language, and people are thinking of maybe with a different negative mind. And my lord, that is what making me now. I'm very.
But still, my own concern is these cases are just there lying idle, and it's not looking good on the court's docket.
Looking good, my lord.
I mean, adjourning the cases day in, day out.
Yes, my lord. It is not my own lone decision. It's just openly, my lord. I know this particular trial is on the record, everything, my lord. So it's as a result of the conscience, my lord, that guide one when doing my lord his own job. So, my lord, in the circumstances, without wasting much of this time, of the time of this honorable court, my lord, it is our humble application to withdraw charge number FHC/DM/CR/35/2025. Thank you very much.
Can you hear me? Registry of court, can you hear me?
Yes, my lord, we can hear you. I don't know whether if the registry can hear you.
Yes, I can hear you as well. We have to find a solution to this.
Yes, my lord, we have, for us now, my lord, we have already proposed solution to it. Because
the solution
being the present administration now, he has taken it back as to before, when I made the first one, which is Ogaya had that no single charges will be filed without conclusion of the investigation. And my lord, even the previous administration, why they have this type of problem is that, my lord, issues of fundamental right, my lord, the previous administration is very, very skeptical on issues of fundamental right enforcement, especially when that issues of the high court that happens, and the then commander doesn't want to have a problem with the headquarters. So from there, my lord, he makes it mandatory that immediately, if there is an arrest, within 3 hours, my lord, we file charges.
No, but still, we have been going around in circles.
Yes, but now, my lord, we have provided a solution here with us, my lord. After we received a correspondence from the court. So now
I cannot remember that correspondence, but my predicament now, those cases, we have about 6 or thereabout. For 6 months, no, there's no defendant that has been arraigned. We keep adjourning the matters.
I have not. So, my lord, in the circumstances, my lord, without wasting much time, I don't want to waste much time of the court, my lord. I don't want to waste much time of the court. My lord, this is a humble application, my lord. We humbly apply charge number FHC/DM/CX/35/2025, my lord, to be struck out.
This case is called. The defendant is absent once again. I've stated in another case that this court have taken judicial notice of some facts regarding newly filed cases from the NDLEA in that defendants granted administrative bail hardly appear before the court for arraignment, and cases get adjourned several times before the defendant sometimes reluctantly appears or the complainant withdraws such matters. But with the explanation of the prosecuting counsel and the resolve to change the way cases are filed, maybe we may make progress. The instant case was first mentioned 6 months ago in September 2025. Till date, the defendant is yet to be arraigned, thereby clogging the docket of this court. Hence, the charge number FSCD MCR 35 2025, Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Mohammed Ashanti is hereby struck out. The prosecution, after putting their house in order, can file charges against the defendant again whenever they are ready. Counsel, do you think there's a need for the court and the agency to have a meeting to try to resolve the issues?
Yes, my lord. Actually, my lord, the office is even planning to pay a courtesy visit to you, my lord, whenever you are back. And as I have said, my lord, this particular issue, my lord, it has already been resolved. with the present
Okay.
administration. Yes, my lord, we have already resolved it here. These particular cases are the one that have been lingering, as you have said, for the past 6 months, and I have told you
Yes.
why all these things are happening. But my lord, with the recent correspondence, as I have said, we have tech tracing. We have tech tracing, and as I have said, no more charge without conclusion of investigation. The only risk is that, my lord, issues of fundamental right. Keeping a suspect before you finish your investigation and file your charge, and when the defendant counsel did not agree with that, then that's where the problem is. So I believe, my lord, will have a lasting solution, inshallah.
Okay. Meanwhile, all those other cases that have been cloaking the I think they should be struck out or to start on a new slate.
Yes, my lord, they should be, my lord. If there is need for us, my lord, to bring them back, my lord, we will gladly do that.
Yes, I think that will be better for both the agency and the court.
As God pleases.
Okay, thank you, Counsel.
Thank you very much, my lord.
Charge number FSC/DM/CR/36/2025 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and Musa and Clara.
Yes, respectfully, my lord, Usman Bamala. My humble appearance is for the complainant.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. The complainant, my lord, intends to withdraw this particular matter. So, my lord, it is our humble application to strike out this charge. Thank you.
Application granted. Charge number FSCDMCR 35 2025 Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Musa Ali Bularafa is hereby, having been withdrawn, is hereby struck out.
As God pleases.
Charge number FSC/PM/CR/37/2025 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and Mohammed Abdullahi.
Respectfully, my lord, Usman Bamala.
Just,
my humble appearance.
Okay, give me a minute. I'm trying to open the file.
As God pleases.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, my lord. My name is Usman Bamala. My humble appearance is for the complainant.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. It is our humble application, my lord, to withdraw this particular charge, my lord. Charge number FSC/DM/CX/37/2025.
The application of prosecuting counsel is hereby granted. Charge number FSC DMCR 37, 2025, Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Mohammed Abdullahi is hereby struck out. The prosecution can file charges against the defendant whenever they are ready and haven't put their house in order.
Stop, please.
Stop, please, my lord. Charge number FSC/DM/CR/38/2025 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and Mohammed Abuye.
Defendant.
Respectfully, my lord, Usman Bamala, my humble appearance is for the complainant. My lord, the matter is fixed here for further mention, and unfortunately, my lord, the complainant, my lord, intend to withdraw this particular matter. We applied charge number FHC/DM/CR/38/25, my lord, to be struck out, my lord. Pending when we will put our house in order, my lord. If need be, my lord, we will refile the charge and prosecute the defendant.
The application of the prosecuting counsel is hereby granted. Charge number FSC DMCR 38, 2025, Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Mohammed Abuye is hereby struck out.
Ascop, please, my lord. So, my lord, very briefly, my lord, off record, as I want to also make this to very, very clear. My lord, if I believe the court have taken judicial notice, my lord, then of the type of some of the frivolous charges we file, especially, my lord, when it comes to a suspect with very, very negligible amount of exhibits, my lord. I could vividly remember, my lord, in some of the dictum of the court, where the court discouraged, my lord, filing a charge against defendants, my lord, with negligible, very, very negligible amount, instead of counseling and rehabilitating those particular defendants, my lord. I believe, my lord, the court have taken you. So, my lord, some of them, my lord, have had this kind of intervention and been released, and at the same time, my lord, we have filed their charge, and that charge is lingering before the court. So, my lord, sometimes this, especially this particular case, my lord, is just, I think, 20 grams. 20 grams is not more than, I think, 4 or 5, something like that you can just take it at hand.
Okay.
So, my lord, so these are also some of the challenges that we have had, and I believe, my lord, we have found a lasting solution to it, my lord. So,
I'm happy to hear
that. The most important thing is that all these cases that I'm telling you, my lord, there is no any legal advice from myself or from my colleague who actually left, my lord, to file a charge in this matter. Wallahi, there is not. So, you see, so thank you, my lord, for understanding us, my lord.
Thank you so much, counsel.
FSC/D/CR/46/2023 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and
Suleiman Mohammed. My lord, the defendant.
I'm trying to open the file.
It's having that. Sorry, my lord. The defendant cannot stand on it.
I didn't hear you, registry.
The defendant cannot stand, my lord. He's sick.
Okay, get him a chair. Yes, presentation.
Yes. Respectfully, my Lord Usman Bamala, my humble appearance is for the complainant.
Respectfully, my Lord, my appearance for the defendant.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord, the matter is selected today for continuation of hearing, my Lord, of this matter. And my Lord, it is our humble application, my Lord, having presented 3 witnesses in this matter who are very, very credible, which include the arresting the witnessing officer as well as the exhibit officer in this matter.
Please, having
My Lord, having presented 3 witnesses, my Lord, 3 credible witnesses in this matter. 3 credible witnesses in this matter. It is a humble application, my Lord, that we have discharged our evidential and constitutional burden. And as such, we urge, my Lord, to convict the defendant, my Lord.
yes.
Yes, my Lord, the prosecution having closed their case, my Lord, we humbly apply for identity invoice upon our defense, my Lord, for the officers. Thank you.
Give us a date.
Yes. 5th May, my lord.
No earlier date?
Our diary is 5th.
I didn't hear that.
We have so many cases.
Okay, the 5th March, 5th May.
Yes, my lord.
Council, 5th May.
My Lord, it's convenient. I don't know.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 5th day of May 2026. For defense, the defendant who is on bail is to continue to enjoy the bail granted him till the next adjourned date.
Thank you, my lord. Lawyer mai gabatar da kara abubuwan da ya kamata su gama ba da shaidun su duka. Saboda haka za a ba da rana a kan kazo da fara baza wannan zama sai ranar 5 da watan gashi
Charge number FSC/EFC/2022 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and Garba Alaja.
Is that CR4?
Yes, yes, madam. CR4.
CR4.
Yes, yes, CR4 20.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Yes, representation.
Yes, respectfully, my lord Usman Bamada, my humble appearance is for the complainant.
Respectfully, my lord, M.A. Madak is my name. I'm holding the belief of you, Hassan. My humble appearance is for the complainant.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, the matter is coming up for defense. And we are ready to take the defendant and still do one of authority over it.
Ms. Ndahi, can you confirm to me whether the machines in the court are working?
Yes, it's working now.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. Salisu, candidate, tell him that let him once again take this one call his full name.
Okay. He didn't hear you very well.
Can you hear me now? Mr. Salisu, can you hear me?
Yes, we hear you now.
Okay, ask the defendant, let him tell this one call his full name.
Yes, he answered. Name Garba Al-Assad.
Where did he reside?
Where in Africa? He was in Nguru town.
What is his tribe or religion?
Is it?
What is his tribe or religion?
We are not here.
And religion. Tribe and religion. Okay, you still cannot hear us?
Yes, my lord.
Council, we are waiting for you. Can you speak?
Ask him, what is his tribe or religion?
Tribe and religion.
Let him tell the court his tribe or religion, Mr. Salisu.
Can you assist from the registry?
Yes.
Salisu, ka tambaye shi menene yarensa kuma me addininsa.
Okay. Garba Hassan, me yaranka ko me addininka? Ka daga murya.
Addini na Musulunci.
Yes, his language, Hausa in house, he is hearing the Hausa language. Religion, Islam, my lord.
What is his age?
Shekarun ka ba? He said 42 years old.
Now tell him that today is his turn to give evidence in defense of himself in respect of the allegation against him before this honorable court.
Lauya ga kare kai ce yau rana ce wadda za ka ba da saida karan kanka a wannan tuhuma da ake ma a wannan shari'a.
Yes, counsel, we're waiting. We still have so many cases. Can we continue?
Sorry, my lord. It's network. Mr. Salisu, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing very well now.
Tell him that today is his turn to give evidence in defense of himself in respect of the allegation against him before this honorable court.
Yau, ya ce yau ita ce rana wacce ka gabata a wannan shari'a wanda za ka ba da saidar karan kanka na tuhumar da ake ma a wannan tuhuma da ake yi maka kamar haka.
So let him talk to the court bit by bit.
Yanzu ya ce za ka iya gaya wa kotu ɗaya bayan ɗaya abin da ya faru. Shi kenan za ka iya fara gaya kotu sai kuma kana faɗa saboda kotu tana rubuta kana faɗa a hankali daidai abin da ya faru a cikin wannan magana ɗan yau gaba kaɗan. Yawwa sai ana da fara bayani daidai.
Akwai wata rana ina zaune.
Yes.
Karɓo tabar ɗan gona.
Let him give a complete sentence you interpret.
Ka fara maimaita maganin duka.
Akwai wata rana ina zaune. Na karɓo tabar ɗan gona. Zan kai wa ɗan gona.
I didn't hear. Can you interpret?
Yes, my lord. One day, he resided in a house. He collected the cannabis for the farmers. That he said. I saw NDLA personnel. He saw NDLA personnel. He arrested him together with that cannabis. He took him to the office of NDLEA.
Na kwana na sake kwana. Ya kama Damaturu.
He was some days in the NDLEA office, later transfer him to Damaturu headquarters. He spent 9 days in NDLEA office Damaturu. Later took him to the court. Yes, from court, sent him to here correctional center. That is the all, my lord.
Mr. Salisu.
Now, yes.
Tell him that he is standing trial before this honorable for 2 charges. Today he is now giving a defense in respect of the first charges. That's 2023 case against him. Is that what he know about the case, or all that he know about that, the rest of that case?
Yau ka tsaya a gaban kotun nan da tuhuma guda biyu da ake gabatar maka kamar haka. Akwai wata tuhuma ita ma ta shekara ta 2023, ɗaya wata tuhuma ita ma da ake ma a wannan gaban kotu. Kuma sannan ga wannan ita ma wanda yanzu kake kare kanka a kai.
Mr. Salisu, I mean, tell him that he's giving defense in respect of the first case before this court. Is that all he know?
Ya ce, ka kare kanka akan wannan tuhuma da ake ma, akan tuhumar farko da ake yi ma na wannan shari'ar da yanzu ake gabatarwa. Za ka kare kanka a kai, za ka iya tunawa tuhumar da ake ma na farko a gaban wannan kotun. Za ka iya gane ta? A kanta ake magana yanzu. To a kanta yanzu ake so ka kare kan naka. Tuhumar da ake ma ta farko. Tuhumar guda biyu ne. To wannan ita ana ma ainihin tuhumar da ake tuhumar ka na farko da aka kawo gaban kotu ne, kanta ake magana. Shi ne yanzu yake magana a kai. Yace za ka iya tunawa? To a kanta yake so za ka yi jawabi. Me ya faru to?
Akwai wata rana ina zaune. Ina zaune ina yanka taba don kawai ɗan gona.
Yes, one day he resides in, and he sliced the cannabis. One day he resides in the, and he sliced the cannabis.
It's okay. Is he repeating the same thing he stated earlier?
Yanzu mai shari'a ta tambaye ka duka irin abin da ya faru ne, abin da ya faru wancan da ka faɗa shine yanzu abin da ya faru. Yes, my lord, he said yes.
So now, since he's telling the same thing, tell him who owns that cannabis he mentioned. Let him explain to the court.
Duka abin da ya faru kenan ga baki ɗaya. Ka gaya wa kotu. I'm sorry, come back again, sir.
Who owns the cannabis he mentioned while he's making the statement?
Tun da ka ce duka haka abin ya faru ga baki ɗaya, ka gaya wa kotu waye ne wannan tabar.
Wannan tabar na siyo ta ne zan kuma wannan. Ni ma kuma ina sha amma ni ba siyarwa nake ba.
Can you interpret? We are waiting for you.
Yes, my lord. He said he is mere user. He is not a commercial dealer, my lord. He is mere user. He said.
That wasn't what he stated. Because I didn't hear very well, I wanted. Can you ask him the same question so that I can record what he said in his own words?
Kana ji ba? Lauya mai kare kai ne ce a tambaye ka. Tunda sun same kana yayyanka ta, kuma ka ce ta 'yan gona za ka kai. To waye ne mai ita gabaki ɗaya tabar?
A wajena suka same ta, amma a wajen malam Takari na siyo.
Amma a wajen malam
zan kai 'yan gona.
Za ka yi 'yan gona. Ka siyo naka ne, za ka kai 'yan gona ko? Shine Hausa?
Haka ne.
To, my lord, he said he buy that cannabis from one Malam Takari. That is the owner.
So now, finally, ask him, did he has any other thing to say, or that's all he know, the rest of the allegation?
Wai lauya mai kare gai ce, akwai abin da gaya a kotu ne, ko kuma shi akwai wani abin da ya rage wanda gaya a kotu, ko kuma shine iya abin da ka sani gaba daya a cikin magana.
Iya abin da sani kenan a cikin magana.
That is all he said.
Well, that's all for the witness.
But I have a question for cross-examination subject to my Lord convenience. May I proceed?
Yes, go ahead.
Mr. Garba, I'm very sorry. Please interpret it to him, registrar, so that I can get what I want. Can you hear me, registrar?
Yes,
I
I'm
said
hearing
to him that I am sorry. I want you to interpret it to him so that I want to get what I want.
ya ce ka ɗan yi haƙuri ka saurara
I personally, I am sorry. I am sorry.
ya ce ka yi haƙuri.
He is someone who is supposed to be pity. Please. I am sorry for him.
Ya ce yana baka haƙuri a kai.
I agree with you that you are a user.
Ya yarda da kai kasancewar kai mai amfani da taba ne, in ji shi.
But the actual people who use to deal with you and they own some of the exhibits that was found with you includes one Audu Karfe. Am I correct?
Wai haka ne a cikin wanda kuke ta'ammali da wannan tabar za ka akwai wani wanda ake kiransa Audu Karfe? Audu Karfe.
Akwai.
And also and include one person named Inusa from Guru. Is that correct?
Akwai wani kuma mai suna Inusa?
Akwai.
Yes.
And also one named Malam Ustaz.
Akwai Malam Ustaz?
Akwai ne Malam Takari.
Yes, that is.
So, Al Hassan, you'll agree with me that you are a very honest somebody.
Ya ce in za ka yarda da shi kai mutum ne mai gaskiya tsakani da Allah. Haka ne?
Haka.
Good. Because you categorically make a statement to that effect before the NDLA office. Is that
Kafin
correct?
ka zo gaban kafin ka zo ofisin NDLA ka ba da ainihin jawabi.
And before at the NDLA office, he made that statement categorically.
Ya ce a ofis ɗin NDLA ka ba da wannan jawabi dalla-dalla. Haka ne?
Haka ne.
Good. Where you even affix your thumbprint on the set. You even sign by putting your thumbprint on that very statement.
Akan wannan jawaban da ka bayar duka akwai gurin da har an baka maka dangwala hannunka.
Akwai.
And you will agree with me that if you see that said document where you stated the truth fact of the position, you can identify it. Is that correct?
Ya ce in ka ga wannan jawabin da aka bayar wanda har ka sa hannun naka ka ba da jawabi cikakke mai kyau za ka iya gane wannan takardar da ka dangwala hannun an nuna maka ita.
Is it this document that you're talking about?
Wannan ita ce wanda ake magana a kai din?
Ita ce.
The answer to yes. Is the one.
Is this the of your thumbprint? Is this your thumb?
Wannan shine thumbprint din da kai a jiki ka dangwala hannunka?
Haka ne.
He answered yes.
My lord, in these circumstances, we sought to tender the statement of the defendant, my lord. Both the English and the Hausa version, after having identified same in evidence before this honorable court, my lord. The said statement, my lord, have been front-loaded by serving the defendants with the proof of evidence, and a copy of the said statement is thereby attached to. So, my lord, we sought to tender the original statement in evidence before this honorable court.
Yes.
We hold no objection.
Ina kotu.
Any other exhibits before this one? Can you confirm from me, registrar of court?
Yes, there are some exhibits on that, my lord.
The last one is NDLEA Garber 3.
Yes, my lord.
The extrajudicial statement of the defendant in Hausa language and the translated version in English language is hereby marked as NDLEA Garba 4A and 4B respectively.
The court pleases.
My lord, that's all for the cross-examination.
Any examination? Counsel, can you unmute yourself? Any examination?
No examination, my lord. I'm having network problem. There's no any examination, my lord. I apply the witness to discharge.
witness the church from the witness box. Yes.
And my lord,
I can't cite the defense counsel.
Yeah.
Still not there?
My lord.
The defense counsel. Because I wanted
Yes, my
to.
lord. He's muted.
so, sorry, my lord, I'm having network problem. My
Yes,
lord, that's all
quickly.
we
What
have
is
for,
your application?
that's all we have for defense, my lord, and we do not intend to file any address. Thank you.
And then give me any date.
Okay, my lord. 5th May, my lord.
This notice hereby adjourned to the 5th day of May, 2026 for the delivery of the judgment.
As court
As
please,
court,
my lord.
please.
Garba Lassan, kotu ta daga zaman sai ranar 5 ga watan 5 Allah da ran a yanke hukuncin wannan shari'a. Ka je ka zama. Yes, my lord. That is all for here, correction center.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Salisu, and
Thank you very much.
thank you, Correctional Center, and all staff. Okay, thank you.
Nice day. Thank you.
Well,
Cap number FSC/DM/CR/32/2024 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and Ibrahim Muhammad.
Just give me a minute.
Ibrahim. Defendant after.
Did you say CR32?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
2024.
Mm. This case, the last, okay, I think I've gotten it. It was 19th February last month.
Yes, my lord.
Was that the last adjourned date?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Yes, representation.
Yes. Respectfully, my Lord Usman Bamala, my humble appearance is for the defendant, is for the complainant, sorry.
Yes.
Respectfully, my lord, M.A. Madam is my name. I'm holding the degree of M.S. Madam, appearing for the defendant.
Is the defendant in court?
No, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. My Lord, in the last adjourned date, my Lord, this we intend not to say much, my Lord, in this matter as a result of the as a result of the issues involved in this matter that necessitate the court, my Lord, to take some steps, my Lord, in this matter. And we hope and pray that the assignment, my Lord, given by this honorable court, my Lord, whether it has come to an end so that, my Lord, we should know our position, my Lord, in this particular matter. Because, my Lord, the truth of the fact is that as a principle of the natural justice, my Lord, principle of natural justice, my Lord, we the complainant, my Lord, or let me say myself, my Lord, I have lost confidence to continue with this particular matter. This is on ground of the principle of natural justice, my Lord. Constitutionally, my Lord, I am not supposed, my Lord, to continue with this matter.
Like you are muted. I can't hear you any longer. I do not know if the problem is from this end, but I can't hear counsel. I do not know if registry of court.
You can't hear him.
I think he's having challenges. Maybe he's trying to rectify whatever issues he has with his phone or the gadget he's using. Let's just give him a few minutes. Enable him to join.
Yes, my lord, can the court hear me? No.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. My lord, as I have said, my lord, as the principle of natural justice, my lord, concerned, principle of natural justice, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I am not supposed to continue with this matter. This is in line with the principle of natural justice of Nemo Judex Incausasua. Yes. So, my lord, in these circumstances, my lord, I don't want to say much, even though I have much to say at the same time. So, my lord, it would be more honorable, my lord, to me, my lord, to remain silent and ask the court to adjourn this matter sine die. My lord, pending the outcome of the assignment, my lord, given by this honorable court to the Department of the State Security, my lord. So, my lord, after the conclusion, my lord, maybe we will address the court, my lord, and we will make our own submissions, my lord, that we are supposed to make, that we feel like we supposed to say. But, my lord, for now, my lord, I have lost confidence in this matter, and my lord, I cannot proceed with this particular case. Pending if another prosecutor, my lord, will be posted so that he can actually take over this particular matter. Thank you very much, my lord.
Mr. Madaki, are you still?
Yes, my lord. My lord, we have had the submission made by the prosecuting counsel. And my lord, we hold no objection to the application for the adjournment of this matter pending the outcome of the resolution report on the committee set of.
You see, you have heard, because I'm hearing mumbles. I can barely hear you. You said you have heard the submissions made by the prosecuting counsel?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
And
Yes.
We hold no objection.
You're no longer there?
My lord. I don't know whether my lord can hear me. The registry of the court, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
I don't know if my lord can hear me.
Maybe she's having challenges.
Network.
Can you hear me?
Yes, my
Yes,
lord.
my
we are
lord.
hearing.
Yes, we are making a submission. You said you have had the submissions made by the prosecuting counsel.
Yes, my lord. We have no objection for the adjournment of this matter that pending the outcome of the report by the committee set up by this honorable court, so that we know the proper direction to go, my lord.
So, my lord, haven't since my learned friend is not objecting, my lord, it is my own humble submission.
It says since.
My lord, my learned friend is not objecting.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. But my lord, for the purpose of having a good procedure and legality, I think, my lord, the defense, my lord, could have been formal. They could have been formal before the relevant parastatals, my lord, for them to, if there is in case something that the defense want to achieve, my lord, they could have achieved it far better, my lord. That is a suggestion, my lord. It's a suggestion. And more so, my lord, to also ensure transparency again, my lord, and the fairness as well, my lord. My lord, I feel like, my lord, the court, or let me say even the committee, could have summoned one Barrister Wagani in this matter, who is actually the engineer in this matter, that could have been solved for a very long time. Not only because, my lord, even though which I am not asking that maybe whether I'll be favored or not, I will not. Of course I know. But at least it could have been given more details and more outcome of the investigation very transparently, my lord, without saying things without and things like that. Because that Barrister Wagani, my lord, was a person who actually, my lord, engineered everything. Engineered in the sense that network. My lord, can the court hear me?
Yes, after a while, my internet connection is unstable. But I can see all counsel and I can see the registry.
Okay. Can I proceed, my lord?
Yes.
Yes, my lord. As a minister in the Barrister Wagani, as a minister in the Temple of Justice, who actually, my lord, presented himself and make a disguise of the informal complainant before.
I think.
My apologies, my lord, I cannot hear the court.
Sorry?
My apologies, my lord, I cannot hear the court. Network.
I think. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear the court, my lord. Yes, my lord, can I proceed?
Because you said you have so much to say. Don't you think it's maybe
Yes, my lord. I feel like it's
I do
actually.
not know this Barrister Wagadi and what he has to do with the case. And since the issue is already at the committee's level, why can't we just leave it at that level? Let them, any issues we have, inform the committee so that they can come holistically with everything.
Of course, my lord. The thing is, my lord. I don't know why is it that nobody is willing to listen. Even the committee, my lord, I have stated that without any fear of contradiction, my lord, but nobody is willing to listen that. Nobody is willing to extend. Anyway,
Okay, maybe,
so my lord, in the
because
circumstances, my lord. My apologies. In the circumstances, my lord, these are my humble prayers. I apply this matter to be adjourned Senate die. Thank you very much, my lord.
thank you. Daddy, registry of court, give me a date.
May, my lord.
When?
May 5th. 5th May.
April, May. My lord, my apologies, my lord. I don't know if the court can hear me.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, my apologies, my lord. My lord, I don't actually want to interfere, especially, my lord, when it comes to my only problem, my lord, is the adjournment date, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, if the court will understand, my lord, even the last adjournment date, my lord, I pray before this honorable court that the matter, my lord, should be, because initially it was adjourned to, I think, a date like May or April. So I pray before this honorable court for this matter, my lord, to be heard before in the all earliest date, my lord. Because I am kind of eager to have the matter, my lord, to come to the end. Yes, my lord, so that I should know the stake of the matter and my position at the same time. Because my lord is actually, yes. So I don't know, my lord. So I don't actually want to. I don't know if the adjournment date, if it is adjournment in the interest of the court for the assurance of the justice of the matter. So my lord, I have no option than to bend to that. But if there is any earlier date, my lord, I will have appreciate much more. Thank you very much. Even if it could be, my lord, within the week. Even if it is.
Counsel, listen to my ruling.
My apologies.
And then we'll see.
My apologies, my lord.
Because this case is called, the defendant is not before the court despite the orders of court. And having listened to the submissions and applications of counsel, the matter will not be adjourned sine die, but adjourned to the 6th day of May 2026. Meanwhile, the NDLEA, as well as the sureties of the defendant, are to produce the defendant before the court at the next adjourned date, being the 5th May 2026. Hopefully, by then, all reports will be ready to enable the matter to proceed. If shorter date is taken and then there's no report before the court, we keep on adjourning. I wouldn't want to adjourn sine die until when a report is gotten.
Please.
I do not know if you understand the rationale of that date. Before then, because you know there's Salah, there's Easter vacation.
Yes,
so any other date before, I think it will be a bit difficult.
Please.
Because even if it's for this week, I do not have the report. Already a committee has been set up, and then it's been investigated. So for us to, within the week, without the report, I doubt if any justice will be done.
Please.
That is why but if we can have any other date before that 5th May, let him check. But I would like all reports to be there. Counsel, can you hear me?
My lord, yes, my lord, I can hear the court and I can understand the court, my lord, very well, my lord. I have understand so many things, my lord, and um, the thing is that, my lord, I don't want to be caught by the doctor of laches. Why was I silent? Why I didn't wake up as of the time when it was supposed to be? So I am just thinking so many things, my lord. And the so many things, my lord, includes, my lord, I am even thinking, my lord, of resigning. That's the truth, my lord. So, my lord, and I'm even thinking of, even though, my lord, it is not my 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 power whether to be posted within or outside the Yobe or whatsoever. It is not my own, and so also, my lord, considering the fact that, my lord, in less than within 3 weeks, my lord, I am going to get married, to start a new life. So I have no option, my lord, than to agree, my lord. But having these issues, my lord, which is not litigated, it is without any formal complaint, without so many things, my lord, that I can talk about in a later date, my lord, in a later date. So many things, my lord. So that's the reason why, my lord, if I see another longer date, waiting for that date to come, I will see it, my lord. Even if it's 24 hours, I see it as very far. Even if it is negative, even if the outcome is negative to me, my lord, is better. I see it in time. So, my lord, Allah came. Thank you very much.
Give us a date in April. Right, in March.
Was 21st March?
21st March?
No, March. Yes, March 31st.
March
31st.
31st.
No, any other.
Council.
Yes, my lord, my lord, it's convenient, my lord, it's convenient.
It's convenient.
March 31st.
As God pleases. We're not okay.
Check Jan to the 31st day of March 2026.
Complete.
That 31st is what?
First Tuesday. It's Tuesday, man.
The Tuesday?
Yes, like the first day.
Okay.
Tuesday.
Task number FSC is DM/CR/25/2025 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Haji Garba A.A. Kaji.
Sorry, I didn't hear the name of the case.
Ali Garba A.A. Kaji.
That is CR 25, 2025.
Yes, my lord. The defendant is in court.
Respectfully, my Lord Usman Bamala, my humble appearance is for the complainant.
With respect and credibility to my name is A.M. My Lord, my appearance is for the complainant.
My Lord, the matter is selected today for commencement of hearing and subject to my Lord convenience, we are ready, my Lord.
Yes, my Lord, I'm ready.
We are ready with a single witness, my Lord. May I apply Mr. Suleiman Mohammed Rabi, who is the executive officer in this matter? My Lord, to appear as PW1.
Application granted.
Yes, my lord. PW1 to the witness box and it's ready to take up. It's ready to affirm himself. But first, let me affirm myself. I, Musa Ndani, fully affirm to interpret the court proceedings from English, Hausa, and vice versa, to the best of my ability.
I, Suleiman Mohammed Rabi, do solemnly affirm that the evidence as against before this honorable court in this case will be the truth, nothing but the truth, so help me God.
PW1 has affirmed himself, is male, adult, and innocent.
Thank you. You can have a seat, officer.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes. Is the prosecuting counsel still with us? You are muted, counsel. You are muted.
My apologies, my Lord. Can the court hear me, my
Yes,
Lord?
go ahead.
You can tell this honorable court your names. Mr. Rabi, can you hear me?
Yes, my lord.
Once again, tell this honorable court your names and what do you do for a living?
My name is Suleiman Mohammed Rabi. I'm a public servant working with National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Yobe State Command.
For how long have you been working?
For about 5 years, my lord.
What rank do you attain so far?
I'm Assistant Superintendent of Narcotics 2.
Can you tell this honorable court for all these 5 years, what are your schedule of duties?
Receiving the suspect and the exhibit recovered from them.
Perfect.
Carrying out a field test on the recovered exhibit. Weighing of the exhibits. Issuing of scientific forms, namely certificates of test analysis, packaging of substance form, request for scientific forms, taking a sample of exhibit into NDLA laboratory in Abuja for scientific analysis, testifying and giving evidences in court with the exhibit regard to handled by me or kept under my custody, and any other ad hoc duty given to me by my commanding officer. Thank you, my lord.
Now, have a good look at the camera very well. I can't see the defendant, but I wanted to ask you to confirm whether if you can identify the defendant in this matter.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, you are in the court there. I believe you can see the defendant.
Yes, my lord.
Now tell this honorable court, what do you know about the defendant in this matter?
On the 26th of May, 2025, the defendant was brought before me by CSN Umar Adamu Ibrahim and SN Bagudu David, along with a Boa staff. I asked the defendant who owns this Boa staff, and the defendant replied that the Boa staff belongs to him.
Excuse me. Sorry, my lord. I can't hear the written very well, my lord, as the voice used to come with echo, my lord.
The echo, are you using two gadgets in your chambers?
No, my lord, I'm in the court. I'm in the one of the offices in the court.
So registry, where's the echo coming from? Because he said the defense counsel said he can barely hear the witness. So don't you have the microphones to enable him use same? Registry of court.
Oh, no, my lord.
No,
oh, no, my lord, I can hear you very well.
Okay, Mr. Rabiu, can you speak up?
Okay, my lord.
Go ahead.
Should I start from the beginning, my lord?
Counsel, he's asking me, should he start from the beginning?
Yes, if possible, my lord.
On the 26th of May, 2025, the defendant was brought before me by CSN Umar Adamu Ibrahim and SN Bagudu David, along with a Boa sack. I asked the defendant who owns this sack. And the defendant replied that the sack belongs to him. With his permission, I opened the sack and it was discovered that there are some compressed dried leaves suspected to be cannabis sativa. I then explained to the defendant that I want to carry out a field test on these substances. And he gave me go ahead. After carrying out the field test, the test proved positive for cannabis sativa. And it was weighed and found to be 5.3 kilograms. Thereafter, I issue out some exhibit forms, namely certificate of test analysis, packaging of substance form, and request for scientific aid form. I fill the necessary columns. Witnessing and arresting officer also signed their own column, and the defendant thumbprint on each of the forms. I took some part of the exhibit and seal it in a white evidence transparent pouch which will be taken to Abuja for scientific analysis. And the bulk of the exhibit, A3, was kept in an exhibit room for safekeeping. On the 28th of October 2025, I arrived at newly constructed NDLA laboratory, Abuja, for scientific analysis and I waited for the result for almost 1 week there. On the 11th of November 2025, I received a response calling my attention. Attention, Suleiman Mohammed Rabiu, OC Exhibit NDLEA, Yobe State Command. Along with a brown envelope. Attached with the brown envelope is the result for scientific analysis. and request for scientific aid forms. Thank you, my lord.
Mr. Muhammad Rabiu, in the course of your testimony before
my
this
lord.
honorable court, you informed this honorable court of the scientific document you issued out to the defendant when the defendant was brought before you. Am I correct?
Yes, my lord.
Where you informed this honorable court that the defendant, where you fill this necessary columns and as well as the arresting and the witnessing officer, the defendant equally signed on the said exhibit document. Am I correct, please?
Yes, my lord.
Good. You equally informed this honorable court that you took a sample to Abuja for forensic analyst and you received a response calling your attention as the OC exhibit in a brown envelope.
Yes, my lord.
Next, sir. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes, my
Now,
lord.
can you tell this honorable court how you can identify the said documents?
Yes, my lord. In all of the documents, my name is written there. And there is also an NDLA case number there.
Good. Now, is the said brown envelope with you, together with the annexer, which is the response of the forensic analysis, as you have said before this honorable court. Is it with you there in the court?
Yes, my lord.
Good. Can you make it available at the screen to this honorable court? Good. So, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, is this the packing of the substance form as part of the exhibit documents you're talking about?
Yes, my lord.
Is this the certificate of test analysis?
Yes, my lord.
Good. My lord, we have served the defendant equally, my lord, through the proof of evidence. So, my lord, before we proceed, we wish to apply for the witness to open the said brown envelope to ascertain what it contains.
Application granted.
My lord. These are the remnants from the scientific analysis. And this is the result from the scientific analysis, along with a request for scientific aid form.
Thank you very much. My lord, in these circumstances, we sought to tender the following documents in exhibit before this honorable court. 1. The certificate of the test analysis, packing of the substance form, the request for scientific aid form, the forensic analysis report, the brown envelope, my lord, together with the remnant of the exhibit, my lord, as contained in the brown envelope. We sought to tender all the documents, my lord, in evidence before this honorable court.
Yes.
Yes.
Defense counsel.
Yes, my lord, there is no objection to the application made by the prosecutor to tender the aforementioned document.
The following exhibits forms are hereby admitted into evidence. Certificate of test analysis form, packing of substance form, request for scientific aid form, hereby marked as NDLEA Ali Garba 1A, 1B, and 1C respectively. While the drug analysis report is marked as NDLEA Ali Garba 2A, the brown envelope NDLEA Ali Garba 2B, and the white transparent evidence pouch with the remnants of analyzed exhibit marked as Ali Garba 2C respectively.
Please. Mr. Mahmoud Rabiu, you informed this honorable court that you kept the bulk of exhibit in your custody for safekeeping. Am I correct?
Yes, my lord.
Can you tell this honorable court how you can identify the said bulk of exhibit?
In the back of the site, the name of the defendant, written there, NDLEA case number, the date of documentation.
Thank you very much. Is the said bulk of exhibit with you before the court?
Yes, my lord.
Kindly send set your camera direct to the bulk of exhibit for the court to have a look at it, man.
I have to step down.
Can you hear me?
The permission, my lord.
Yes, my lord. We humbly apply, my lord, for the court, my lord, to allow us to sight the camera, my lord, on the bulk of exhibit, my lord, to ascertain what it contains.
Yes, please go ahead.
Good. My lord, we equally apply for the witness to unfold the said sack, my lord, to ascertain the content of the sack, my lord.
Yes, go ahead. Yes.
These are the compressed. There are 9 blocks. 8 of the 9 were wrapped in yellow.
It's a minute.
Salted.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
I said there are 9 blocks. 8 of the blocks are wrapped in yellow.
While only single one is wrapped white and red. And the NDLA case number is written as NDLEA stroke YBS.
I kind of, I need you to go back a bit. Just give me a minute. Let me. Why not? You said there are compressed. 8 of them wrapped in yellow.
8 were wrapped in yellow.
Yes.
And there's only one that has white and red solid. And the NDLEA case number is as NDLEA YBSC stroke 022.
22.
Yes, my lord. Stroke 2020.
2025.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes, my lord, having identified the said bulk of exhibit, we humbly apply to tender same in evidence before this honorable court.
So you don't have any response to that?
Yes, my lord, no objection.
Bulk of the exhibits of block dried with tightly wrapped in yellow, white, red sellotape concealed inside a boa sack amounting to 9 blocks is hereby tendered and marked as NDLEA Ali Garba 3.
My lord, that's all for the examination in chief, PW1.
Yes, my lord, I have some few questions for the witness subject to the conveniences of the court. I'm ready to proceed.
Go ahead.
Thank you very much, my lord. Mr. Suleiman Rabiu, can you tell this honorable court your qualification? Your qualification.
I have BSc in biochemistry.
All right.
I'm currently running a master's on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I would be right to say that you are not a forensic expert, drug forensic expert. Is that right?
No, my lord.
And I will also be right to say that you are not there, or you were not there when the defendant was arrested. Am I right?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Amongst the role that you have played in respect to this case was field test. You are the one who conducted a field test in respect of the substances that was brought to you alongside with the defendant. Am I right?
Yes, my lord.
Then you made mention that you conveyed some, substances to Abuja laboratory for them to, for forensic analysis test. Is that right?
Yes, my lord.
And I will also be right to say that your attention was drawn based on your testimony before this honorable court that the result was out and of which you have collected same. Is that right? Can you hear me?
Yes, my lord.
All right. So what is the answer?
The answer is yes, my lord.
All right. Yes. Can you tell this honorable court the name of the person whom he has conducted the examination forensic analysis at your office, NDLEA laboratory office in Abuja? Can you tell the name of the person to this honorable court?
DCN Hassan.
What's the name?
DCN Hassan.
So that means you are not the one who conducted the forensic test analysis at NDLEA laboratory office in Abuja. Is that right?
Sorry, my lord, your last was garbled.
I said, that means you are not the one who conducted the forensic analysis test at the NDLEA office, NDLEA laboratory office in Abuja, rather than PCL Hassan. Is that right?
Yes, my lord.
So we have so many cases for the day. You are wasting our time. Can you continue so that we can go on to the other cases?
Thank you very much, my lord. Mr. Suleiman Mohammed Rabiu, tell this honorable court,
yes,
how many bulks of the exhibit you conveyed to Abuja for the forensic analysis test among the said 9 bulks of exhibits? How many you have conveyed to Abuja laboratory for the NDL for the forensic analysis test?
My lord, that's confidential.
No. Mr. Witness. You tendered 9 pieces of box of exhibit before this honorable court. I'm asking you, how many of them you have conveyed to Abuja for forensic analysis test, and you are saying it's confidential? This is the question. Answer my question.
If I get your question right, my lord, I said that there are 9 compressed blocks of dried leaves that were suspected to be cannabis sativa, and it was confirmed that they are cannabis sativa by the scientific analysis at NDLA laboratory, Abuja.
Yes. So how many out of the 9 you have taken to Abuja for? You said?
I didn't get your question right, my lord.
How many among the said 9 blocks of exhibits so far tendered before this honorable court? How many you have taken to Abuja, or you have conveyed to Abuja your laboratory for forensic analysis test? How many out of the 9 that you have taken to Abuja?
I took some part of the exhibit.
Okay.
And seal it in a white evidence transparent pouch, which is weighed about 0.03 grams.
Okay.
And it is the one that the forensic analysis was conducted on it. You just have to take some part of it, not all the bulk of the exhibit. That's why we have A1 and A3. A3 is the bulk of the exhibit. And A1 is the one.
I didn't, the weight.
Okay.
The white transparent pouch weighing
0.03 grams. 0.03 grams.
Yes.
Is the one that's
it's okay. My lord, it's okay. It's okay. My lord, may I, in your kind permission, my lord, apply for NDLEA Aligar Battery, which is tendered before this Honorable Court exhibit NDLEA Aligar Battery. To show to the witness, my lord.
Application granted. Yes. Application granted.
All right, thank you very much, my lord. Witness, please take a look at the exhibit tendered before this Honorable Court. That's NDLEA Aligar Battery, and show to this Honorable Court among which you have extracted the said 0.03 gram, which was conveyed to Abuja Laboratory for analysis test, forensic analysis test. Open the exhibit, please, and show to this Honorable Court, among which you have extracted the said 3.03 gram, which was conveyed to Abuja.
I said 0.03, not 3, sir, my lord.
Yes. Yes, the said 0.03, among which bulks of exhibits that you have extracted. Show to this Honorable Court.
My lord, it was extracted from here, my lord.
All right. Let me see it. Is it within the among the red, yellow, in yellow, white, yellow salt tape, or in the red and white?
Red and white.
All right, that is the only the one which is different from the others. All right. So that's all. That's all. It's okay. So, Suleiman Abubakar.
Just a minute.
All right.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Suleiman Abubakar, since that the said 0.03 gram was extracted out of the one which is different from the 8 bulks of exhibit tendered before this Honorable Court. Is that correct? That the said 8 bulks of exhibit were not conveyed to Abuja Laboratory for forensic analysis? Is that right?
My lord, my name is Suleiman Mohammed Rabiu, not Suleiman Abubakar.
All right, Suleiman Abubakar Rabiu. I'm sorry. Suleiman Mohammed
Suleiman
Rabiu.
Mohammed
I'm
Thank you,
sorry
my
for
lord.
that one. Don't worry.
And they are all equal. It's just their mode of concealment or the sellotape that they were used to wrap the dried leaves. That's what differentiates them. But they are all dried leaves or supposed to be
Understand? Wait. Suleiman Mohammed Rabiu, understand my question.
Yes, my lord.
The question that I'm asking you is that the 8 boards of exhibits were not tendered, were not conveyed to Abuja, but only some part of the one which was concealed in the red and white sellotape that was conveyed to Abuja. Is that right? Or made for forensic analysis test. Is that right?
Yes, my lord. It's just a sample.
Thank you. Thank you. It's okay. My lord, that is all for the witness. Thank you very much.
Any examination? The prosecuting counsel is no longer visible.
It's not there, my lord.
Okay, let's just give him a few minutes. Can you, registry, can you call to confirm what is happening?
Okay, my lord, they are calling him now.
Okay, thank you.
My lord, my apologies. The gadget just went off, my lord. Maybe
It's
it has
okay.
result of the picture.
Yes, I hope you have not missed anything.
My lord, I have missed the last question when the defendant counsel was asking the witness on which for him to show him the among the blocks which one he extracted the 0.3 grams that he took the sample to Abuja. That's where the gadget went off.
Okay. He said after applying for exhibits NDLEA Ali Garba 3, he asked him amongst the 9 exhibits from which he extracted the
0.3.
yes, to which the exhibit officer showed him.
Okay.
And I think the Learned Defense Council still cross-examined him by asking whether it was extracted from the one that was different from the others. That is the white and red. So, to which answer was, since they are all the same, only their mode of concealment differs. Then he was asked that there were about 8 other bulks of exhibit not taken to Abuja, only that other one. And the exhibit officer replied that, yes, it's just a sample. I think that was all. Did I capture you all correctly?
Okay.
Defense
Thank you very
Counsel?
much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that.
Yes, my lord. That is it.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. It's like the prosecution counsel have disappeared again.
Unmuted.
You are muted, counsel.
My apologies, my lord. I said I don't want the gadget to still run down, so I want to connect the charger to. I was surprised when it went because I was having a full charge.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, I'm ready. Let the.
Any re-examination?
No, my lord, I have no re-examination, and that's all for the PW1. And in the circumstances, I apply for the PW1 to be discharged from the witness box.
Application granted.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
My lord. Yes, my lord. This is the sole witness we have in this matter for today, and in the next adjourned date, we will present the rest of the witnesses.
Can you give us a date?
Yes, my
Registry
lord.
of court? Yes.
Give me, my lord.
Matter adjourned to the 5th day of May, 2026.
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases.
That number FSC/BM/CR/56/2025 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and Jibril Mohammed.
Jibril Mohammed. And it's our answer.
Yes, representation.
May it please this honorable court, my lord, MB Ngohi, humbly announcing my appearance for the defendant, my lord.
The prosecuting counsel is not online.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
He does not appear again.
He was complaining of
Charge.
yes. So let's give him a few minutes, maybe
As
for
good-
him to.
As a court pleases, my lord.
Registry of court, how many more cases?
Yes. We have two. Three, my lord.
Three. Okay, three.
Including this one.
Yes, okay. The cases for tomorrow,
Yes, my lord. There are many, man.
up to 12 or more than.
Yes, up to 12 or 13.
Can't somebody get in touch with the prosecuting counsel so that we know whether these matters are going on or not?
I called, but he didn't pick, my lord, and he is not within the vicinity here.
Hmm. One of his colleagues should call. Is he not calling from the office, sitting from the office? So
Yes.
that we know we don't just sit and wait. All this, the other three cases are all NDLA cases?
Yes, my lord. He's trying to reconnect, my lord.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
My lord, my apologies. The temperature of the gadget, my lord, got heat, and unfortunately, it is not even charging.
Okay.
It's because of the temperature, so I have to use another gadget. My apologies.
Representation.
Okay, my lord, I don't know the case that is being called. My
I think
apologies.
this is Jibril Mohammed, CR 26-2025. Is that correct, Registry of Court?
Yes, my lord.
Respectfully, my lord Usman Bamala, my humble appearance is for the complainant.
May it please this honorable court, my lord, Kembi Ngohi, humbly announcing my appearance for the defendant.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, the matter is selected today for commencement of hearing, and subject to my lord convenience, my lord, we are ready.
I am equally ready.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
May I apply Mr. Mohammed Kabiu Suleiman, my lord, as the exhibit officer in this matter to appear in the witness box?
Yes, my lord. PW1 is in the witness box and is ready. Is already on oath, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Yes, go ahead. You can have a seat, officer.
Okay, thank you, my lord.
Yes, my lord. PW1 is in the witness box. He smell adult and innocent.
Yes. You are muted.
Once again, tell this one.
Yes.
Okay, my
Okay, go
Once
ahead.
again, tell this one your names and what do you do for a living?
My name is Suleiman Mohammed Rabiu. I'm a public servant working with National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Yobe State Command.
For how long have you been working?
For about 5 years.
Having been working for 5 years, tell this honorable court what rank do you attain so far?
I am Assistant Superintendent of Narcotics 2.
Please tell this honorable court what are your schedules of duties for all this time that you have spent with the agency?
Receiving the suspect and the exhibit recovered from them. Carrying out a field test on the recovered exhibit. Weighing of the exhibit. Issuing of scientific documents, namely certificates of test analysis, packaging of substance forms, and request for scientific aid forms. Taking a sample of exhibit into NDLA laboratory in Abuja for scientific analysis, and keeping the bulk of the exhibit in an exhibit room for safekeeping, and any other ad hoc duty given to me by my superior. Thank you, my lord.
Yes. You're still muted,
Now,
Counsel.
have a good look at the defendant and tell this honorable court whether you know him.
Yes, my lord. I know him in respect of this case.
Now that you have identified him, tell this honorable court what do you know about the defendant in this matter.
On the 5th of May 2025, 5th of May 2025, the defendant was brought before me by ASN1 Mohammed Abdul Malik Umar. Mohammed Abdul Malik Umar and Hassan Bukar Ashemi, along with a black bako bag.
And Hassan
Ashemi.
Yes.
I asked the defendant who owns this black bako bag. And the defendant assented that the bag belongs to him. With his permission, I opened the bag to discover what it is contained. And it was discovered that there are some dried leaves suspected to be cannabis sativa. I explained to the defendant that I want to carry out a field test on these recovered substances, and he gave me go ahead. After carrying out the field test, the test proved positive for cannabis sativa, and it was weighed and found to be 3.3 kilograms. I issue out some exhibit forms, namely certificate of test analysis, packaging of substance forms, and request for scientific aid form. I fill the necessary columns. Witnessing and arresting officer also signed their own columns, and the defendant thumbprint on each of the forms. I took some part of the exhibit and sealed it in a white evidence transparent pouch, which will be taken for scientific analysis. And the bulk of the exhibit was labeled as A3 and kept in an exhibit room for safekeeping. On the 28th of October 2025, I arrived at NDLEA new laboratory in Abuja for scientific analysis. And I waited there for almost a week, and I received a response on the 11th of November 2025. calling my attention, Slewa Mohammed Rabiu, OCNDLEA, Yobe State Command, along with a brown envelope attached with the brown envelope is the result for scientific analysis and request for scientific aid form. Thank you, my lord.
Mr. Mohammed Rabiu Suleiman.
Yes, my lord.
In the course of your testimony before this honorable court, you informed this honorable court that when the defendant was brought before you, you issued out some exhibit documents which you signed on it, as well as the arresting and witnessing officer equally
Yes, my
signed
lord.
on it. The defendant
Yes,
equally affixes his print on the said document. Am I correct, please?
Yes, my lord.
This document includes the certificate of test analysis and the packing of the substance form. Am I correct?
Yes, my lord.
Good. You equally informed this honorable court that you took a sample to Abuja for forensic analysis, which you received a response calling your attention. And that response comes in a brown envelope with an annexure. Am I correct, please?
Yes, my lord.
Now, tell this honorable court how you can identify the said documents, please.
In all of the documents, my name is written there, my lord.
Good. Now, is the said brown envelope with the annexure there together with you?
Yes, my lord.
Good. Can you show it to this honorable court? Mr. Mohammed,
Yes, my lord. I have shown to the court, my lord.
we can't
No.
see it. I don't know whether if the court can see it, but for me.
Okay,
Okay.
yes, I can see. Yes.
Yes, my lord, we apply through the witness to open the brown envelope and ascertain what it contains.
Application granted.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, we equally apply. Okay.
My lord,
Yes.
these are the remnants from the scientific analysis. And this is the result from the scientific analysis.
Yes.
And this is the request for scientific aid form, my lord. And my lord, when I'm stating the weight, I think I made a mistake by saying 3.3. My lord, is 3 kg, not 3.3. It's 3 kilograms, my lord. My apologies, my lord.
Okay. You equally inform this honorable court. Can you hear me?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, you equally inform this honorable court that you kept the bulk of exhibit in your custody for safekeeping.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, tell this honorable court how you can identify the said bulk of exhibit.
The name of the defendant is written there, and the NDLA case number is also written there, my lord.
Cool. My lord, we apply for the witness to step out of the witness box and identify the said bulk of exhibit, my lord.
Yes, application granted.
That's complete. Hello? Yes, it comes from the yes. God bless you.
Registry.
my lord.
Okay. As if it's frozen on the screen. Maybe their network is not very good because I
Yes,
can't.
the network is not stable there in the open court.
Hmm.
And I believe it's as a result of the temperature. The temperature is very hard. So most of the gadgets, yes.
We can hear you, my lord.
Oh, I see.
Okay,
Yes.
Yes,
Registry of court. Yes.
Prosecution counsel.
Yes, my lord.
I'm waiting for you, my lord.
Okay, can you hear us? It's because we can't see you. We are just seeing a picture, not a live, something. Okay, thank you very much. Having identified the bulk of exhibits before this honorable court. Can you hear me?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, having identified the said bulk of exhibits, we wish to tender, my lord, this document through Mr. Muhammad Rabiu Suleiman, who is an exhibit officer, my lord, in the office of the complainant, my lord. Through him, my lord, we wish to tender the certificate of the test analysis, which is here.
This bulk of exhibit has not been shown to the court.
Okay. Yes, my lord, maybe it's as a result of the.
I can see him holding something, but that is it.
Yes, my lord, it's as a result of the virtual is not clear. So myself, I'm seeing only a picture of the witness, but I can see the other parties moving very fluently, my lord, in the camera, but the
Are you
open
seeing
court is frozen.
Are you seeing him now?
We can't see him. It's just a picture. It's just keeping.
Okay, take your network. He's waiting for permission to open the bulk of the exhibit.
Okay, my lord, we humbly apply for the witness to unfold the said bulk of exhibit to ascertain what it contains.
Let's go ahead.
My lord. There are 4 blocks. 2 of the 4 were wrapped in yellow and black sellotape. While the other one is wrapped with black sellotape. And the last one,
the other one wrapped
with black sellotape. Black sellotape. And the last one is wrapped with white sellotape. And the NDLA case number is written as NDLEA/YDSC/024 024/2025. Thank you, my lord.
Yes. Yes, counsel, you are wasting so much time.
Lord, it's because, my lord, I didn't even hear the last submission because it's breaking into me. It's fine. So, my lord, in these circumstances, my lord, we sought to tender the certificate of the test analysis, the packing of the substance form, the request for scientific aid form, the brown envelope together with the annexure, which include the request for scientific aid and the forensic analysis report together with the remnant of exhibit, as well as the bulk of exhibit in evidence before this honorable court.
Any response from the defense counsel?
Yes, my lord, we are not objecting the admissibility of the said documents, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my
Counsel,
lord,
you
he is not
said you are
objecting.
not objecting to the admissibility of the said documents? MB Ngohi.
Yes, my lord,
Can
we are
you
not
pay
objecting.
attention? Okay.
Yes, we are not objecting, my lord.
Following exhibit forms are hereby admitted into evidence. Packing of substance form, certificate of test analysis, request for scientific aid form marked as NDLEA Jibril Mohammed 1A, 1B, and 1C respectively, while the drug analysis report is marked as NDLEA Jibril Mohammed 2A, the brown envelope NDLEA Jibril Mohammed 2B, the white transparent evidence pouch with the remnants of analyzed exhibit marked as Jibril Mohammed 2C respectively. The bulk of the exhibits of blocks of dried wheat tightly wrapped in yellow, black, and white sellotape concealed inside a bag hereby tendered and marked as NDLA Jibril Mohammed 3.
Ascot, please.
My lord, that's all for the examination, Chief.
Okay.
Yes, my lord, we have a few questions for cross-examination.
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. Suleiman Rabiu Mohammed.
Yes, my lord.
You mentioned in your testimony that your schedule of duty is to keep exhibit, took the exhibit or sample for forensic analysis to your laboratory in Abuja and conduct a field test for the exhibit.
Yes, my lord.
Other duties assigned to you by your superior. Am I right?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Rabiu.
Yes, my lord.
I will be right to say that you are not the one who arrested the defendant.
Yes, my lord.
And also, you are not there when he was arrested.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Rabiu Suleiman.
Just
yes,
a
my
minute.
lord.
As God pleases, my lord.
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. Rabiu.
Yes, my lord.
Did you know that the defendant was arrested together with two persons? Can you tell this honorable court where about the other two persons?
I'm not aware of it, my lord.
You are not aware?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Rabiu Suleiman.
Yes, my lord.
I'm also right to say that apart from the field test analysis, took the exhibit sample to exhibit laboratory office in Abuja, all what you have said now before this honorable court, in respect of the defendant, you were informed by your colleagues. Am I right?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Thank you, my lord. That is all for the witness.
My lord, we have no examination, and that's all for the PW1 in this matter.
Yes.
My lord, we apply for the witness to be discharged from the witness box.
Application granted. Thank you, officer.
Thank you, my lord. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, we will be asking my lord to present the rest of the witnesses, and we shall close our case in the next adjourned date, my lord. And the investigation officer will also be here, my lord, and I think all the questions of the defendant will be answered, of the counsel to defendant. Thank you.
Give us a date.
That's the court, please. 5th May.
15th May?
5th May. 5th May. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 5th day of May 2026. The defendant is to continue to enjoy the bail granted him to the next adjourned date.
I stop you.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
Charge number FSC/DM/CR/27 2025 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and Kachala Aisami. Kachala Aisami. Defendant absent.
Respectfully, my lord Usman Bamala, my appearance is for the complainant.
Yes. No defense counsel?
Because the defense counsel.
There is.
I can see anyway.
It's Barrister Ale. She's there.
Yes. Can you unmute? Unmute your gadget, Mr. Halle.
Okay, my lord. Thank you.
Presentation.
Respectfully, my lord Usman Bamala, my appearance is for the complainant.
With respect and humility to my lord, my name is I.M. Halle. My lord, my appearance is for the defendant. I'm sorry, my lord, I didn't hear the name of the defendant. I know the remaining cases are my cases, my lord. So I didn't hear the name of the defendant, which among the two cases.
Kachala Aisami.
Okay.
And the defendant is not before the court.
Yes.
Yes.
Respectfully, my lord, my name is I.M. Halle. My appearance is for the defendant. My lord, I have communicated to the defendant personally this morning in the presence of the personnel of the NDLEA. In the presence of the personnel of the NDLEA, my lord, I put hands free. That as at that time he was in Gaidam, my lord, not even in Damaturu. Not even in Damaturu, my lord. And he is fully aware of the today's date, my lord. And he is fully aware of the today's date. And he informed me that he's on his way coming. That's what he informed me, my lord. And up to now, he's not before the court. So in view of this, my lord, I shall be applying for a date to enable us, my lord, secure the attendance of the defendant in the next adjourned date. Any date, my lord, is convenient. And I shall be before you on the 5th of April, my lord, I think.
May.
May, yes. On the 5th of May, my lord. Subject to the convenience of the court and my learned brother at the same time, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, while we reluctantly concede to the application for adjournment, but my lord, we wish to state as a fact before this honorable court that the defendant in the last adjourned date is not before this honorable court, so he should be aware of the risks he's undergoing of not appearing before this honorable court in the next adjourned date. So we, in the interest of justice and you should consider the application. So I urge my lad friend to communicate same to his client so that he shouldn't be court wanted. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my lord.
Registry date.
Yes, 5th day of May, my lord, 2026.
This matter is hereby adjourned to the 5th day of May, 2025. Meanwhile, the defendant is to continue to enjoy the bail granted him till the next adjourned date.
As the court pleases.
Accomplished.
We are grateful, my lord.
You're welcome.
Charge number FSC/D. Charge number FSC/DM/CR/28 2025 between Federal Republic of Nigeria and Garba Usman and Musa Ibrahim.
My lord, one defendant are in court to get 6,000.
Thank you.
Respectfully, my lord Usman Bamala, my humble appearance is for the complainant.
With respect and humility to my lord, my name is I.M. Halle. My lord, my appearance is for the defendant.
My lord, the matter is fixed today for a definite hearing and subject to my lord convenience we are ready.
We are equally ready, my lord.
My lord, may I apply Mr. Suleiman Mohammed Rabiu to appear in the witness box as PW1 in this matter, as well as the exhibit officer, my lord.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Yes, my lord, PW1 is in the witness box. He smell adult and amusing.
Yes.
Kindly affirm yourself.
Right.
Can you affirm yourself? Okay, go ahead. Okay.
I, Sulaiman Mohammed Rabiu, do solemnly affirm that the evidence I shall give in this court shall be the truth, nothing but the truth, so help me God.
PW1 has affirmed himself. He is male, adult, and innocent.
Yes.
Once again, tell this honorable court your names and what do you do for a living.
My name is Sulaiman Mohammed Rabiu. I'm a public servant working with National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Yobe State Command.
I tell this honorable court what rank do you attend and what are your schedule of duties for all these years?
I'm a assistant superintendent of narcotics, 2. And my schedule of duties are receiving the suspect and the exhibit recovered from them, carrying out a field test on the recovered exhibit, weighing of the exhibit, taking a sample of drugs to NDLA laboratory in Abuja for scientific analysis, keeping the bulk of the exhibit in an exhibit room for safekeeping, testifying and giving evidences in court with regard to the case handled by me or kept under my custody, and any other ad hoc duty given to me by my commanding officer. Thank you, my lord.
Yes. Have a good look at the defendant and tell this honorable court whether you know him. If your
Yes,
answer
my
is in the
lord.
affirmative, yes, tell this honorable court what do you know about the defendant in this matter.
Yes, my lord, I know them. On the 13th of June, 2025, the defendants were brought before me by ACN Davis Bambis and ASN1 Uja Hilary, along with a black polyethylene bag. I asked the defendants, who owns this black polyethylene bag? And they replied that the bag belongs to them. With their consent, I opened the black polyethylene bag to discover what it contained. And it was discovered that there are dried leaves suspected to be cannabis sativa. I now explained to the defendants that I want to carry out a field test, and they gave me go ahead. After carrying out the field test, the test proved positive for cannabis sativa, and it was weighed and found to be 1.5 kilograms. Thereafter, I issue out some exhibit forms, namely certificate of test analysis, packaging of substance form, and request for scientific aid form. I fill my own column. Witnessing and arresting officer also fill their own columns, and the defendants thumbprint on each of the forms. Thereafter, I took some part of the exhibit and seal it in a white evidence transparent pouch, which will be taken for scientific analysis in Abuja, and the bulk of the exhibit as A3 and kept in an exhibit room for safekeeping. On the 28th of October 2025, I arrived at NDLEA New Laboratory in Abuja for scientific analysis. And it took me almost a week before I get the result. On the 11th of November 2025, I received a response calling my attention, Suleiman Mohammed Rabiu, OCNDLEA Yobe State Command, along with a brown envelope.
Sorry, you said on the 11th of it?
On the 11th of November 2025, I received a response calling my attention, Suleiman Mohammed Rabiu, OCNDLEA Yobe State Command, along with a brown envelope. Attached with the brown envelope are results for the scientific analysis and the request for scientific aid form. Thank you, my lord.
Very much, Mr. Mahmoud Rabiu. In the course of your testimony before this honorable court, you inform this court that when the defendant was brought before you, you issued exhibit documents to him, which you filled the necessary columns, and you sign, as well as the arresting and witnessing officer equally sign on the said documents. The defendant equally affixed his thumbprint on the document. Am I correct?
Yes, my lord.
Good. You equally inform this honorable court that you took a sample of the said exhibit for forensic analysis and you received a response in a brown envelope calling your attention at also. Am I correct?
Yes, my lord.
Good. You equally inform this honorable court that you kept the board exhibit in your custody for safekeeping. Is that true?
Yes, my lord.
Now, tell this honorable court how you can identify the said documents, including the response of the forensic analysis, as well as the bulk of exhibit, as well and also the filtering documents. How you can identify them?
In all of the documents, request for scientific aid forms, packaging of substance forms, certificate of death analysis, drug analysis report, brown envelope, all my name is written there. And for the bulk of the exhibit, the name of the defendant, date of documentation, and also the NDLA case number is also written there. Thank you.
Now that you identify the said document, my lord, we apply through the witness to open the said brown envelope of the forensic analysis so that the court can ascertain what it contains in that particular document.
Application granted. Application granted.
Okay, my lord.
My lord, this is the remnant from the scientific analysis This is the result from the scientific analysis, and this is the request for scientific aid form.
Thank you very much. Mr. Mohammed Rabiu Suleiman, haven't identified the forensic analysis. The court will be interested again to for so that you can actually identify the said bulk of exhibit so that we can actually ascertain the said bulk of exhibit. So is the said bulk of exhibit before this honorable court?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. But we apply for the witness to bring forward the said bulk of exhibit so that the court can actually ascertain what it contains.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
My lord, no objection to the application. Sorry.
The prosecuting counsel, we're waiting for you.
Have you? Yes, my lord. I didn't bring in or show the exhibit for you to maybe you know it's from the device I'm using or whether the court have seen it there. Because for me it's only a picture of the witness I'm just seeing. So that's the reason why I keep keeping it. Mr. Rabi, if you can hear me, I don't know whether you can have read the court said
Open court,
Mr.
can you
Mohammed
hear us?
Rabi.
Yes, my lord, we can hear him.
We can hear him very
We
well.
have not heard the voice of the witness.
Witness.
Counsel.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
Yes.
in the circumstances, my lord, we sought to render the certificate of the test analysis, the packing of the substance form, the request for forensic analysis, the drug analysis report, the brown envelope containing the white exhibit post together with the remnant of the exhibit, as well as the bulk of exhibit, all in evidence before this honorable court.
They have disappeared. I think they're having challenges.
Is the
It is, oh, the network. Because I needed to hear from
Yes, my
the,
lord, it may be the network and it
I
may be
need
the
to hear
temperature, I
from
don't
the
know. But
witness
I know
from his
these
own
two are
mouth.
fundamental.
We give them a little time. I need to record the witness. Okay, yes, go ahead.
Okay, my lord. Okay, my lord.
Yes. Open court. Because I can't hear you.
Okay, my lord. What I'll tell my lord is that, can you hear me now, my lord?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. There are 2 blocks wrapped in a yellow sellotape. And some loose quantities. And some loose quantities in a black nylon. Inside black nylon.
Yes. Is the prosecuting counsel with us? On mute. Why must I keep on
You know, my
prompting you?
apologies, my lord. As I have said, my lord, I even find it difficult the way you people even speak with the open court. Because for me, I've only seen a picture and a breaking voice. So I actually don't know whether if they have concluded or not. So I will just be waiting.
Apologies, my lord. It's our
Mr.
network.
Rabius Roman, have you finally? Can you hear
No,
me?
we went offline. It's now that we are back online, my lord.
Okay. Have you identified the said bulk of exhibit to the court?
Yes, my lord. I have identified it and I even show it to the
It's
court.
2 blocks wrapped
Yes,
in
my
yellow sellotape and some loose quantities inside a black polythene.
Yes, my lord.
Now
And the
I'm seeing
NDA,
because I only see a picture.
and
It
the
appears
NDA
a
case
picture and just your voice.
and the NDA case number is NDLEA / YBSC / 026 / 2025. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you.
My lord, haven't identified the same bulk of exhibit and the other exhibit documents. In the circumstances we sought to tender the certificate of test analysis, the packing of the substance form, the request for the scientific aid form, the drug analysis report, the brown envelope containing the remnant of the exhibit, as well as the bulk of exhibit, all in evidence before this honorable court. Thank you.
Yes.
My lord, no objection.
The following exhibit forms are hereby admitted into evidence: certificate, packing of substance form, certificate of test analysis, request for scientific aid form, marked as NDLEA Garba Usman, 1A, 1B, 1C. The drug analysis report, NDLA Garba Usman 2A, brown envelope, NDLA Garba Usman 2B, white transparent evidence pouch with the remnants of analyzed exhibit marks as NDLA Garba Usman 2C respectively. Just a minute.
Please. My lord, that's
The
all
bulk of
examination.
the bulk of the exhibits of 2 blocks wrapped in yellow sellotape and some loose quantities inside a black polythene marked as NDLEA Goebbels Mark 3 with our NDL number
Please.
YBST 020. Just disappeared.
Please.
026 2025.
Please.
Please.
Yes.
Yes. My lord, that's all for the examination in chief of the PW.
Any cross-examination? Now you have to speak up or your microphone is too low.
All right.
Okay, I can, yes.
Okay. Mr. Witness, please, I'll be right to say that you are not a drug forensic expert. Is that right?
No.
Yes.
Yes, I'll be right to say that you are not formed part of the team that arrested the defendant before this honorable court, defendant that's standing there. Is that right?
You have to bring your gadget closer to you because the volume is not too, it keeps fluctuating.
Yes. Can you hear me? Mr. Mohammed, Mr. Suleiman.
Are they still online? Okay,
Yes, my lord, we are online, but we barely hear him, my lord.
Okay. Let me repeat the question. Am I right to say that you are not from part of the team that arrested the defendant before this court? Is that right?
You are not part of the team that arrested the defendant.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. Am I also right to say that you are unable to convey the 2 blocks of exhibits to Abuja for an forensic analysis test? Rather, you extracted some part of it. Is that right?
My lord, let me explain something to you here, my lord. It is sample that we are taking, not all of the exhibit. We cannot take the whole of the exhibit for scientific analysis. Rather, we only pick some sample that's about 0.00, 0.03, or 0.05 in a certain cases.
Okay. That means some parts have been taken for forensic analysis tests, while some parts have not been taken. Is that right?
No, my lord. It is sampling that we are taking. You cannot take the whole of the exhibit to Abuja or to Lagos for scientific analysis. Rather, you do a sampling. You pick.
Understand the
That's
question.
what I'm trying to explain to you, my lord.
No, understand my question.
You just pick a sample and seal it in a white evidence transparent pouch. That's the reason why we have A1 and A3. A1 is for the samples. You just pick some part of the exhibit and seal it in an A1. That's evidence transparent pouch, about 0.03 or 0.05 kilograms or grams. Then you take it for scientific analysis.
How many grams have you taken to Abuja for an forensic analysis in this case? Did you get the question?
I'm waiting for my log to record this so that I will answer you. It is 0.03 grams.
Yes.
Yes, counsel, we are waiting for you. We are wasting too much time.
Okay, sorry, my lord. Am I right to say that? Okay, tell this honorable court, how many grams have you taken to Abuja for forensic
He
analysis
said
stage?
0.03 grams.
Okay, I didn't get that one, my lord. Mr. Witness, am I right to say that the way and manners of which the defendant were arrested was unknown to you? Is that right?
Yes, my lord.
Apart from conveying 0.03 gram to Abuja and field tests that you have conducted, am I right to say that all other things are not within your personal knowledge? Is that right?
Yes.
Thank you. My lord, that is all for the witness.
My lord, we have no examination. And that's all for the PW1 in this matter. As such, we apply for the PW1 to be discharged from the witness box.
Application granted.
Thank you, my lord.
So, my lord, that's all we have for today in this matter. So, my lord, in the next adjourned date, we will be able to produce the rest of the witnesses and we will close our hearing. Thank you.
Give us a date.
5th May, my lord.
How many cases for that 5th May?
5.
With this one making it 6?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, with this making 6.
Matter adjourned to the 5th day of May 2026. The defendants are to continue to enjoy the bail granted them to the next adjourned date.
As the court pleases. That is all we have for the day, my lord.
Okay. I wish to thank all counsel that appeared before this court today. Thank you so much. We have had a few technical hitches, but it's okay considering the nature of the network these days. And I sincerely appreciate the staff of the Federal High Court, particularly the registry. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much. We still have cases for tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I'll see you tomorrow then.
All right, my lord. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Bari mu delete sa screen. So, when can I